I am Steve Davis, and I am a substitute teacher for JCPS. I'm a long-term sub at Western Middle School, and I just basically cover for wherever I'm needed, and also get pulled to go to different classes depending on where I'm needed within the school. A typical day for a substitute teacher. I'm always, every day, trying to incrementally make sure the kids get what they need. Right now I'm working in a warehouse, and I've done this before, but this is certainly a different change of pace. But I am very much enjoying this and liking the fact that I'm helping get these out to the kids during unprecedented time in our city. This is a great opportunity to do something while there's no work for substitute teachers. Okay, and we are in a position where if we can't teach, then we don't make money. So this is a great opportunity. I feel blessed to be here, be a part of this. You have to be flexible, and you have to really dig down within yourself and decide, what are you going to do? You're going to give up and stay home, or are you going to go find work? So that was my choice, was to find work. I am Steve Davis, and I am JCPS.